Hey guys, Jarod down here with Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used, and Rig Ready Approves. And today we're going to take a walk around this beautiful 2025 Ram 2500 Rebel, guys. So this one's going to come with those steel bumpers, the off-road package that beautiful Rebel look has. This one, so you're going to have the adaptive cruise control coming standard in the 25 lineup. 6.7 Cummins Turbo Diesel with the ZF8 transmission underneath the hood there. Tow mirrors, mirror lights on this one. We'll take a look inside here so you can see all the beautiful Rebel accents that you're going to get within this one with that nice big display in the middle. Power windows locks on this one, guys. Taking a look inside the rear, you're going to see you're going to have a ton of cab space in these. You're going to get 4 different charging ports, a wall outlet. You're going to get heated seats on your rear seats here. We'll come around to the back here and take a look. So as you can see here, backup camera already installed for you. Soft dropping tailgate, so you have to worry about nothing there. When we're looking in the back, you're going to have Bedliner already installed. You're going to have bed hooks, bed lights. So the truck is built to work from day one. Rear sliding window for you guys. Fuel tank here, so diesel, DEF, super easily accessible to you. Into the rear where you'll see your seats will lift up. This will fold out, giving you some more space. As well, if you need more, you will have some bins under here. Getting into the front here, so you're going to see you're going to have your blind spot and your heated mirrors with your blind spot detectors here. Get into the driver's seat, you'll have your column shifter, beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel with all the storage in here, adjustable pedals, memory seats, power mirrors, everything that you want this truck has, guys. If it interests you, give us a shout at 780-942-3629.